Hello everyone! So in today's video, I will be talking about the channel. What can you expect of my channel? What do I want to do? Why I'm doing it? And just to give you a bit of context. So hop along with me and let's talk about it. Hi, I am Gia and I garden in Portugal, Silver Coast, Zone 10B. I share this space and my life with nature and my pet cats. And now with all of you here as well. Let's enjoy gardening together. Let's start first with the name, Cats, Garden and Kettle. So why cats? Because cats were already in my life before I even dreamed of having a garden. And cats were already in this property before I even was here. So that's why. And they're very important in my life, of course. Then a garden because I'll be gardening a lot. That's the main focus is gardening. And kettle because I love tea. It's kind of a chill world, kind of a chill word. So I think it's a cool combination of names. And actually, it was one of my friends that suggested kettle. So that's cool, and I kept it. So that's why it has the name that it does. Now about the type of content, this is not a how-to channel. There are plenty of awesome, great, amazing channels with great gardeners in many countries that specifically do that. What I aim to do here is to show you what I do in the garden and um, how my climate is, what we can grow here, what I can get away of growing here sometimes, and those kinds of things. Also, of course, the cats are with me here. Um, I may do some videos specifically about the cats if that's something that people might want to get to know them a little bit. And I might do specific cat videos. I also might, if it pertains to the garden, I may do some DIYs in the garden and show you how I do the DIYs as well. And the kettle part, I think it's more of chill to talk about things, or for me to do videos that I want to give context about things. And that's how I'm starting this. And then we'll see where this goes. See. So in terms of gear and things like that, my whole life is on a very tight budget, so I use what I have. So I'm filming with my phone. I don't have any fancy microphone or anything. It's a very cheap microphone and it doesn't always work. That's why I use just when it's quiet and you can hear the birdies in nature. I use just the sound of the phone, um, and I edit on free software. And since I don't have much, I have to get creative sometimes, especially here in the garden. So that's something that you also are gonna see. So I am thinking about organizing the channel based on. Hello, there's a kitty behind me wanting attention, and this is going to happen a lot. So I'm thinking about if I. Do you mind? Do you want to be on the camera? Hi. Goodbye. Organizing my types of. What I wanted to say earlier before I got interrupted by Kupo was that I want to have like a little base where people can go and see what happened, why, um, if they want to know about me or my health or any of those things. That's why I'm doing context videos, and that's why I'm taking a little bit longer, because I want to make sure I'm comfortable with what I'm saying and showing. So yeah, that's also the kind of organization that I want to have in the channel. I want to add to the type of content on the channel, um, to the things that I don't want to do. Um, uh, Maybe it's because I am neurodivergent, but I don't work well with you have to do this or else thing that sometimes happens in videos. So I work better when given choices, because if people tell me you have to do this or else something, I'm like, no, please give me context, give me options, tell me why, because I've only been gardening for a few years now, but I do understand that each garden is a garden and each gardener is a gardener, and not everything is gonna work for everybody. So here's how my approach is going to be. I will show you what I do, show you options, and if you want to try it. If you don't, you don't. It's all about choice, and I do prefer it this way. There's a big birdie. Just can I get it on camera? Let's see. Bummer. I didn't get the birdie. It flew away. It was beautiful, big brown birdie. Um. So yeah, sad. Continuing. There are many reasons why I'm making this channel, but one of the goals is to show also that, especially if you can relate to me in any way, that you can have a garden and you don't have to have a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you can still have a little bit of nature. You can help nature a little bit and have your own little corner, to be at peace as well. Um, I haven't achieved much in life, at least in the ways that society expects us to. Most of the things, honestly, they make no sense to me. But I think having this channel is also a way of leaving a little bit of me behind in the interwebs. Because I don't know how long I'll be here. and I mean this in many ways, okay? Um, um, Also, I want to be able to come back and cherish these moments. Being out here and filming um, is also a way to express myself without feeling pressured or in ways that don't cause me stress, I think, because I'm doing it in my own time, in my own terms, so nerves. Yeah, so I think this really helps as well, mentally. Um, so yeah, and of course the relationship I have with my cats here, and I think it's amazing. But people outside myself and sometimes my family or friends that are here, they don't get to see that. Um, and as I've said before, if I don't have a visual reference, I remember some things, but I won't remember. It's very different when you can come back to a video and you can see exactly what happened and everything. So I think that's very important, at least to me. Um, Also, I think cats are often very misunderstood. That's why I feel so connected to cats. I have learned to understand them and they understand me, I think. That's why they all flock here. Um, and I want to show a little bit of that too, that if you have a bit of patience and you're willing to, you can garden with cats and have cats as companions. It's not easy, but that's also something um, that I hope if people see that people can try to understand cats a little better and maybe things will get better for them. So this is what you can expect from this channel. Um, Nothing fancy. Um, Thank you everyone for hanging out with me and learning about the channel. Um, it's too windy. I don't know how the audio is going to be, so maybe I'll do a voiceover. So that's it for this video. I will see you next call. Bye.